wasn't yours. I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back to who I was before. I like me better, I like me better.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. You already know what time it is. It's time to try a new foundation product. If you guys want to know more about this one, let's go. So this is the new Too Faced Born This Way Healthy Glow Moisturizing Skin Tint SPF 30 with watermelon, apple, hyaluronic acid. This retails for $42 for 2 fluid ounces and comes in 18 shades. This is the second to last shade, Cocoa. Kind of hoping that it matches with the Born This Way foundations because Cocoa was a pretty good match back in the day. And then Jackie did a collab and that was tiramisu, I think, something like that. But let's see what they say about this. An oil-free, nourishing serum foundation with up to 24-hour wear and hydration and SPF 30. Protection for healthy, glowing skin. Coverage is medium, finish is natural, formulation is liquid. SPF is 30. This Color True formula conceals imperfections with buildable coverage that feels weightless on skin and leaves skin with a soft, focused, ethereal glow. This product is non-caking, non-settling, non-comedogenic, and suitable for all skin types. Make sure to shake well before use. Okay, so cute packaging. One thing about Too Faced, it's gonna give you that, cutesy packaging. And the complexion products usually be doing it for you. So, see what I was saying the other day when I was talking about like skin tints, like that liquidy? You can hear it. So, packaging, also very cute. This is the shade, it's a little... I forgot a mirror, and I don't feel like getting up to get a mirror, so guess what we are about to use. This is like 2 drops on the brush. Alrighty then, she is very much so giving tinted moisturizer. I have a beauty mark here, you can kind of still see it, and then I have some dark spots over here from breakouts that you can kind of still see, but also there's only 2 drops of very liquidy formula, so this is actually pretty good coverage for a skin tint. It's giving kind of that Summer Friday skin tint when it comes to coverage, right out for only 2 drops, and they weren't big drops. Okay, is she giving glowing? I'm gonna finish my face. Okay, so this will be my face for the day. I definitely feel like it's the actual skin tint itself is pretty spot on for skin tint. Once you do a full face, especially because this is buildable, you can definitely do, like a full face flawless beat, but still have that natural finish because it is a skin tint. So it is 11:10. I'm gonna go check in midday and then come back at the end of the day to give you my thoughts on this product. Okay then, ignore my chin area. I already ate and then it's a quick little nap, but this is what my face looks like at 3:57 in the afternoon. I feel like I'm starting to get a little oily right here, and this is, again, this is gloss down here, but I feel like she's giving skin. I'm intrigued. Color. Okay, Too Faced. Okay, Too Faced, but I do feel like I'm getting oily here. Right? I'm not bugging, am I? Okay then, so it is 7:40. This is my face looking like. Can I just say, shout out to my skincare, because it's been giving real flawless, real smooth. Been working on the texture. And I think that helps because when I say like the actual finish of this skin tint on the face, it's giving what you want in a skin tint. Your skin, but better, quick, throw it on, go, can do really quick, simple, easy beats and stuff like that, right? Especially for the month that we are going into, because I was just saying, you don't always want, a full face every time you put makeup on, especially in warmer weather, all that stuff. See, the problem here is it's getting into warmer months, and if you have oily skin, especially when it's warm, it's hot out, you're out and about, all that stuff, you might produce oil a little quicker. And I would say that's the only downside for me when it comes to this product. Because remember before when I did the check-in, I was like, I thought I'm looking oily in this area. Now there is, you know, like where your makeup looks like it starts to, you know, seamlessly kind of blend into your face a little bit. Your makeup right after you finish it, sometimes you're like, okay, but you know, sometimes it needs like a little hour or two to really settle in, kind of mix in with the natural oils that are in your face to really look, you know, like your skin, right? And sometimes when I do my check-ins midday, that's what it's looking like. But I noticed that especially in these areas right here, which is where, you know, I have an oily T-zone, it looked like it was starting to produce more oil. Now I left before noon, right? I left like actually before 11 a.m., something like that. So it's been a minute. It's been over 7 hours. So it has had to, you know, stand a lot of time, but y'all have seen I've done 16 hours where I come back later. And I don't recall it saying it's supposed to, you know, control oil or anything like that. So it's like you can't really be mad at it. And for some reason I didn't use the Chanel powder to set my under eye today. Probably should have used, you know, Laura or a Fenty, something like that, something that is a little bit more mattifying of a powder. But I think we can see that it's this area, my brows, my chin, but I did eat, and you know, my lip touches down here, it rubs off. Now if I blotch, so that is what my face looks like if I blot, and you know, it's looking like, okay, brand new, just left a couple minutes ago. That's what it looks like though. So, you know, there's gonna be some transfer there, but it is light on the face. Like I said, it is really simple, just throw on and go. Packaging makes it really travel friendly. So like if I had to rank this, I'd probably say, you know, she's cute. I like how it sits on the face. I like how it looks on the face. You know how I say, if Charlotte has airbrush in the title of the product, it's going to be airbrushed. When Too Faced has ethereal in the title of the product, it's going to give you that look on your face. It is the oil control for me. Like I said, it didn't claim it was going to be a matte skin tint, so that is up to you to do more with the other products that you use on your face. So I just can't be real life. I'll probably be done talking by the time it actually turns off. But that'll be the only thing. If you do have oily skin and you want to pick this up, that you'll probably have to use a more, you know, mattifying primer or a mattifying setting spray, setting powder to really make sure you control the oil throughout the day, because, you know, it was giving a very natural finish, and that's a very natural response for me to have because I have oily skin, for my oil to start producing like that. So like I told y'all, if I had to rank this, I'd say she's cute. Not, you can't sit with us, but she's cute. And yeah, y'all, that is it for this video. I hope seeing me test this out has helped you if you're thinking of checking it out for yourself. Make sure to thumbs up, comment, subscribe, turn notification bell down below. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you in the next one.